If you also have an active account for Shopify, then how you can delete it if you're wondering that how you can simply permanently delete your Spotify account here on your phone. So this is my Spotify app. Here on the home screen you can see there is a lot of songs. I will click on the right, that is my profile option. And yes, this is my Spotify profile. You have to scroll to the down, and on the bottommost of the screen you will see there is an option called your profile or your subscription. Simply have to click on the Spotify support and here search for delete your account, closing your account and deleting your data. As you can see on the official help page of the premium, here you can see to close your premium account and delete your data permanently, you can click this link through here. If you don't have the premium, you can simply click on the link that is provided here, close your account and delete your data. You simply have to click on this direct website and it will redirect you to the deletion page of Spotify. So go to the help center and search for it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.